guys. Okay, I don't need to play. Ah, Troy, you can have it now. Ouch! Enjoy that. I'm sitting here in my kitchen. My chair is tilted back. That was fun. I need to draw Sheldon. Does pen work? Yep. Why are you meowing? Ah! Shoot, Sheldon got screwed up. That's Sheldon. He has a little helmet with my nail. Why are you meowing? And Sheldon's face gets wiped away. Woo. I'll pick that up in a minute. You're not getting no more apple. You don't need no more apple. Because this is mine. My cat is spazzing out. Oh, where's the laser light? Oh my god. This is gonna be fun. Oops, there you go. Get the laser light! No, you don't get it! You're not a cat! Now watch my retarded dog. Oh, it's dying. Why is this thing not working? Can you see that? That's a laser light awesomeness and turns blue!